Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify smart light setup with Philips Hue Bridge step by step clearly. Before starting, make sure you have the Philips Hue Bridge and your smart lights properly installed. Begin by ensuring the Philips Hue Bridge is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Plug the bridge into a power source and wait for it to light up. Once powered, locate your smart light bulbs and ensure they are also installed in light fixtures. Power on the light switches for the bulbs you want to set up. Using your smartphone or tablet, download the Philips Hue app from your device's app store. Open the Philips Hue app and create an account or log in if you already have one. Tap the option to set up a new bridge. The app will begin searching for your Philips Hue Bridge. Once detected, follow the on-screen instructions to connect the app to the bridge. You may be prompted to press the button on the Hue Bridge to complete the connection. After pressing the button, the app will confirm that the bridge is connected. Next, select Add Lights in the app. The app will search for available smart light bulbs. Once the search is complete, you'll see a list of detected bulbs. If a bulb is not found, ensure it's powered on and try the search again. Once all your bulbs are detected, select them to add them to your system. You can rename each light for easier identification. After naming your lights, you can organize them into rooms if desired. After completing these steps, your smart lights should be ready for use. Test each light by tapping on it in the app to ensure it responds correctly. Adjust brightness and colors to confirm successful setup. Now, you can explore additional features in the app, like routines and timers. Your smart light setup with the Philips Hue Bridge is now verified and fully functional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.